How to enable voice typing on keyboard. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice typing on the keyboard so you can dictate text instead of typing manually. Start by opening any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes, to bring up the keyboard. If you see the settings icon at the top of the keyboard, tap on it. Once you're in the keyboard settings, tap Voice Typing. You'll now see the available voice typing options. I only have one option for this, so simply tap the toggle switch. After selecting your preferred option, go back to the keyboard. You should now see a microphone icon on the keyboard. Tap the microphone icon and start speaking. Your spoken words will automatically be converted into text. If this feature is not working on your device, it may be due to no permission given by the app. That's it. You've successfully enabled voice typing on the Samsung keyboard and can now type hands-free using your voice. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.